Your old friend or young friend here, Kasuku, the famous.
Thank you very much. In one of my videos, before I go ahead, in one of my videos, I had promised the people watching us that you will spice up the introduction. Yeah, make it a bit, give it some fire. Yeah.
I thought I had just the how do I, you can give me the wording?
Like last time, you know, it's happened. It can't be business as usual. Yes, spice it up a bit.
The very extremely famous Kasuku is the next question.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you, Natasha. Let me first stand up. Good afternoon, Mama Janet. Yeah? No, I wanted to greet Mama Janet when I'm standing. Yeah. Good afternoon, Mama Janet.
Then get the microphone that can allow you to stand. Give him a microphone, please. Press unit.
Can you use this one? It's working.
Who is a press team?
Hello? Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Jemuli banange? Good afternoon, Mama Janet. This is my first time seeing you. So yes, like one-on-one, because now you're seeing me, I'm seeing you. So maybe you've been seeing me when I don't see you. Yes, so why I chose to begin with you, I'm an orphan. Yes, my Jajja, my father and mother died when I was a little boy. Now, the last person who has been with me, my Jajja, died just 2 weeks ago. Yes, so I said now that I've seen you, I want to talk to you about my issues as an orphan. Since you are our mother.
Yes.
So I'm asking for some appointment. I come, we sit, we eat, we drink, and I tell you some of my issues as an orphan. But now wabi, mama.
Okay, Irene is right. Irene, please take Mr. Kasuku.
Obugala wanange, esawa yonna. Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. President. You usually call me Katende. I told people out there, I told them you're my friend. And I've been, the last time I was here, you promised us things. Yes. But it is. So, I've been, everywhere I pass, was saying, President yakuwa ebintu byaffe. I told them mulindeko twali mu kamera. So they told me leero bw'ogenda enkalu zaffe bazikuwe. So I said fantastic. And now that aside, I think if I am given another chance, then I'll speak on behalf of most the idea of the digital economy. The digital economy is employing so many youth. Unfortunately, I don't know how they explained it to you. The last time we were with you, it looked more like you guys are rumor mongering. You're just moving around, you know. You really don't have direction. But we have so many youth earning from the digital economy. And by the digital economy, I'm talking about digital content creators. There's the high end, the guys that deal with the internet and the connections and all that. Then there's us, the final level here. I worked in print, the newspaper. I've worked there. I've worked on radio. I've worked on TV. But I'll tell you, Mr. President, the biggest job I've done that has sold me to the world, that has given me some money, has been on social media, on the digital. I didn't have it in my dreams that one day I'll meet you. I think I've met you once. I was a young boy, P3 at Jajja, Mugwanya. We had gone for the trade fair, and you were there, and I'm one of the people you shook hands with. And of course, I was a celebrity at school. So, but since then, we've had people who have been coming, of course, you know. But the moment I started YouTube, TikTok, the whole country got to know me. The people around you picked interest. They're like, well, this guy is doing something different that maybe, you know, you would want to know about. And so when we got to the fundamentals you talked about, we come in terms of promoting. For example, we've gone to your farm. You told us the cows are for ghee. But when you make that ghee, you need to sell it to the people. So what for us we do, basically, in terms of content creation, we are going to show people how these farms, how these cows are looked after from birth to when they produce. So we, tusomesa analunde ente. Like you see the way you tell us about the 4-acre model. Kati ffe tulaga omuntu okusinziira ku muntu wa bulijjo nga tetwogedde luzungu lungi oba ki ne tumulaga nti ente eno ogikwata booti n'ogirabirira booti okutuusa weetandika okuwa amata. Amata gano bw'ogajjamu ogakola otya okufuuka omuzigo omulungi. Kalali ne tulyoka tugamba abantu nti omuzigo guno ate mulungi mujje mukole ki? Mugugule. Kati kyetugezaako okusaba Mr. President nti abaana bafunayo ku ssente mu bintu bino bye bakola, naye beetaaga omukono gwo mu gavumenti eno eddako gy'ogenda okukola. Beetaaga balabe nti gavumenti ebawagira, kuba nabo balina ebintu bye bakola oba ate bye bayinza okukola okwongerayo obubaka bwa gavumenti mu bantu. Naddala kati guno omulembe ng'ebintu ebisinga bizze ku ssimu. Kati bw'otunuulira abaana nga bano bw'obalaba, bw'ogenda ku buli omu mu real time n'obabuuza abantu bameka abalaba, bagenda kukulaga waliwo ayina omutwalo, aliwo emitwalo 10, waliwo ayina emitwalo 5, nga bonna balaba kino. Kati oli ne babeera tatudde ku TV ng'atambula n'essimu ye wano, asobola okuba nga obubaka bwo oba obubaka obulala omuntu wa gavumenti omulala oba naffe ffennyini bye tukola asobola okubeera ng'abiraba. Naye tuga nti Pulezidenti, twagala tukutegeeza omulimu guno ng'ovuddeko abantu bye bagamba nti abaana abali eyo bavumira okwo bakola ki. Abavuma be batini, naye abaana bangi kuno kati kwe bajja akasente, abatundira engoye ku ssimu, abatundirako ennyama, abantu bakolerako delivery, enviiri, ebintu bingi ebigenda okwo. Kwegamba kye nali ngezaako okutegeeza mukama waffe nti yesebo kati nga tusaba tulabe tuyinza tutya okutandika okubeera nti tukolera wamu mutu incorporating naddala mu gavumenti ejja.
We shall support you because you see we have been supporting like the musicians. We gave them I think 10 billion shillings.
Yes, sir.
The Kenzo and group. Now this one here is part of sales promotion. What you call content, that packaging is part of sales promotion.
Yes, sir.
okusiba ebintu ebyo nga abantu ne babimanya ne babigula. Is that not correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that one should be supported. I totally agree.
Yes, sir. Tweyanzege. Era olwenasemba okuba wano wali onsabye
especially bw'oba otunda ebya wano, bw'oba opakaginga ebya wano. That's why you become now a useful partner. Singa wali otunda ebyebweru kubitunda wano, you would be a comprador bourgeoisie. Omuntu akolera byebweru. Naye bw'oba osiba ebyaffe n'obyanjula eri Abannayuganda wano oba ab'ebweru, you are a very useful person. Tukutenda tugamba nti oyo mulungi. So I will support you.
Tweyanza nnyo ssebo. Kati
are you well organized?
Tuli organized, tulina sako weeri bulungi nnyo, tulina ekibiina ekitutwala.
Ngenda kuteeka mu bilioni 5.
Wangisebo, lindako siwulidde bulungi. Wangisebo
bilioni 5.
miliyoni bilioni. Tweyanziza nnyo ssebo. Simanyi nyinza funayo kadde ki nenzija nenkusisinkanamu nenkuyisaamu ku kiwandiiko kyaffe ne tuwayamu.
Bakuleete wiiki ejja ssebo.
Bannaayo olunaku lwaliro twasanzaani. Kati nga sinaba kuvaawo ndowooza Madamu Natasha nsaba kano nako kankayisizeewo ddala. Abakulu babadde kati baŋŋambye nti bw'omaliriza ebyo byonna ate omukulu omutegeezi. Mr. President, congratulations, sir. Entandika gy'otandiseemu ekisanja kigenda tunyumira. Nkirabiddewo nebaaya kigenda tunyumira. Kati bana obugalo, our man. Kati abaana abazze olunaku olwaleero tubadde twegaayamu ne baga nti Pulezidenti munnyonnyole fo ekamodo nga bw'abitunnyonnyola kino ekisanja ekijja asooka atukwatireko atute fe abazze leero buli omu kale bane mubeere bakakkamu. I have this baŋŋambye ŋŋenda kukomawo katusooke tumalirize. Mulindeko katusooke tumalirize. Thank you, Your Excellency. I will be waiting to see you next week in a new suit.
No, what you are talking about is not something new, because in the past it was called advertisement. The companies would spend money on the TV advertising products. Because I remember in the 1960s, in the whole of East Africa, even in Tanzania, you would hear people advertising Naitiri ginger, Naitiri ginger, Naitiri ginger, Naitiri ginger, Naitiri ginger. The cloth which was being made at Naitiri. When I was in Tanzania, I would hear it on the radio. So what you are now saying is that in the chain of wealth creators, a layer of operators has come up to use the social media which is an easy way of communication, unlike the radios, the what, to package and present products to the consumers. So that's a useful. So if you have got a group who are doing that, we shall support them. There's no problem at all. Okay.
I think as a small example of the kind of some of the work that these young people do, some of the digital creators made a video. So this is it, a very short video.
Asa jakwata ninjumanya. Hata kanzo Yabatu mamasi wanda. Ngari arenga. Yes, very good, very good. Yeba boys nabareba. Thank you, I'm fine. Yes, going home as usual. Yes, bantu mukora bantu mukore. Nebajangwa batokora tabakuria. Atakora taria. Hey, yaba mutabani wasibota. Burje? Yes. Tumayonesa? No?